Hey guys, welcome back to A-Level Lessons. In this video, we're going to be looking at a case for likewise your types of profits again. We're going to be looking in this video at your supernormal profits instead. So in the previous part, we've covered what your subnormal profits are, how to find them on the curve, and in this one, we're going to be looking at a supernormal profit. So supernormal profit occurs when AR is more than AC, right? So first of all, let's just mark the diagram again with our 0 point. And likewise, find the profit maximizing output that is the end price that it occurs where MC goes to MR and it intersects the demand curve. So you have to draw it all the way up to the demand curve. So over here we have our quantity and we have our price. Quite easy to find. So we're going to have P1, Q1 as our indicative equilibrium price and quantity here for the profit maximizing output. So, when you look at supernormal profits, we're looking at a case whereby AC is less than your AR. So, we look at a rough curve. Oops, I think this one's a bit off. Okay, let's draw another one. Alright, so something like this, just a curve that intersects MC. Some people will draw it where it intersects, MC intersects your demand AR. It's up to you. So, this will be our AC curve. So, now likewise, let's find the part where the AC curve intersects your profit maximizing output. We have this part over here known as our cost. Right, this is our average cost that we're incurring at the profit maximizing output, and this shaded area is basically our supernormal profits, right? The difference between your P1 and C1, this entire area over here, all the way to your Q1. So these are supernormal profits, and therefore, as we can see, your price is now more than your cost. Right? This basically means that your average revenue you're earning is more than the average cost per unit good sold. So this is a good thing for us, right? We're earning more profits. Some people call it the abnormal profits, right? We call it supernormal profits. It's good for us, and so therefore we can see that our AR is going to be more than your AC. Hence, this is a case of supernormal profits. So if ever you want to look at it on a diagram, very simple. Just look at AR and AC. If you see that AR is above AC at that profit maximizing level, you can obviously see that AR is more than AC. You can tell it's supernormal profits. Right, likewise for the case of subnormal profits. So quite a simple part on supernormal profits. Hope you guys did learn something. We'll be covering more in depth very, very soon. So be sure to stay tuned and give this video a like and subscribe if it helped you out. That's all, and I'll see you guys in the next part. Bye bye.